what we have for our camping trip. I don't really drink alcohol, but when I do, I usually drink cider, and my favorite one is this one. Angry Orchard Green Apple. They also have in strawberry. I love the packaging here. These are local ciders.
We've been up for way too long, but I don't wanna come down. Caught up in a long free fall, you got me off of the ground. Sway for a minute, but
We have arrived at our getaway house in SKAGIT Valley. This place is super cool. Let me just show you around a little. Basically, there are cabins scattered around this area. Ours is called Kenny. It is possible to get here even if you don't have a car. Like, you can take an Uber from one of like the bus stops. But I would recommend you to at least rent a car or come with a friend who has a vehicle. So this is our getaway house. Super cool. So this is our cabin, and we also have like a bench to eat stuff here. There's a fire pit for us to barbecue our stuff, and it comes with the camping kit. This is what's in our camping kit. So just log.
Yeah, we got fire blocks too.
Oh, okay.
So these are like tinder.
So the fire starter?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna go in for a tour. This is the entrance. First thing you see on your left is a dining table. We got the 4 people per room because we have 3 people here, so that means that we get 2 queen-size bed, and it's actually quite a lot of space. We have a simple but full kitchen where we can cook. There's a mini fridge. This is an induction stove, so we can cook our hot water and maybe cook something else with a pan. There is a tiny sink. And let's go to the bathroom. There are 4 towels here. Super nice. There's a first aid kit. Shower. To encourage everyone to spend quality time with each other and enjoy nature, there is a cell phone lock box. There's also air conditioner and heating system here. So you can use either depending on what season you're in. I love it because in summer I need the AC, and in winter I need the heater. So this place is perfect. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I'm sure not only kids enjoy activities like these. Plus, you know, as we grow older, things like these are nostalgic and fun. Ding, ding, ding. These are our supplies for tonight's dinner. We're gonna grill some stuff. Do you have the mechanical pencil?
I do.
Thank you.
0.7 though.
It's fine.
Fuck,
I suck at numbers, and Sudoku has been giving me a headache because like, I have to keep erasing things, and I just hate going back to the same thing over and over again. I just don't like amendments. So instead I completed this maze on first try. The best part about having Austin around, this.
Make a little fire. Go on. Where's that fire cube?
Yay, we got the fire!
Baby fire. Let's see if it goes though. The wood is fucking thick. I'll see.
We have the veggies all racked up.
This fucking bug is thick though. So it's actually probably best to throw it kind of in the cold zones. That way it doesn't just blacken the fuck out of the aluminum. More beer. So let's see. There's the juices. Yeah, I think it's a little overcooked, honestly. It looks more medium-ish.
Yeah, I think medium is good.
But yeah, that's, you know, it's better than super rare.
Yeah, I like medium.
Okay.
It looks cool though, right?
Yep. Dinner served. Here we have some corn, my favorite, and some roasted vegetables, and beef. We have some desserts here as well.
Yeah.
Good job, good job.
Some S&P. Good for you, good for me. Medium well.
Medium rare?
Mm-hmm.
I'm
Low
okay.
blood.
Are you okay with medium rare? Mine's like medium well. Oh, okay, that's good.
Mm-hmm.
It worked out.
Cooked. Mushrooms are a good choice.
Mm-hmm. Love mushroom. It always tastes so good. Like very flavorful.
Mm-hmm.
Is that sweet? It smelled sweet just now.
Mm.
Lies. It tricked me.
A little bit, yeah. Yeah, it's well sweet.
It's like an hour or two after our dinner, and now we're gonna make s'mores.
Easy. Easy. Don't get it too hot.
Near the fire.
Yeah. Just kind of rotate it too. It's like staring at the sun. You don't want to stare too long, but you don't want to. And just pull out.
Puyo.
Boom.
Dang.
Done.
Cute.
Right there. Look at that.
I'm the worst with s'mores. I do not have any patience.
No, you don't. I'll take a lot
Finally.
of video.
Good morning. Today is a really nice chilly day. It's so nice to wake up amongst nature without like the insect bites and stuff like that. I really like glamping. Camping, not so much. It's just 9 AM right now. My sister's getting ready. I couldn't get ready because I left my makeup in Austin's car and he's still sleeping and the keys are with him. But I'm just gonna chill and leave a note in his drawing book. I'm just gonna go sit at the back of his car just for some nostalgic sake. I am gonna write him a note, but I might attempt to draw something. I'm not that creative, but we shall see. That's random. Okay, my note is done. I'm gonna attempt to draw this view. Not draw, but sketch. Okay lah, boleh lah. Wrapping up our stay here, we are just here for one night, and right now we are just about to leave back to Seattle. Leaving with a heavy heart because I wish we could stay for at least 2 nights. But it's okay, it was a nice experience, and probably we'll go to the other locations, but it's just kind of scary if it's just 2 girls with a car camping out at night. Getaway House has many locations across the US, including in New York. It's a bit more of an outskirts, or even in Boston. Maybe we'll check those places out and figure out if we want to stay there. Ready to go! As we're heading down to Seattle, we stopped by Chick-fil-A for lunch because we're all hungry and we just want to check it off our list. We're eating in, so they gave us this but without a number, so I'm not sure how this works, but anyway, each of these comes with a fun fact. I got myself the salad, the market salad. These are my 2 dressings. And Rebecca got some chicken nuggets, which are kind of too tiny, so we might get more for the road. Fries, and these are her sauces. Vacay is over.
Yeah, vacay's over.
But I feel like this is fast food, but like kind of healthy-ish.
Yeah. Yeah, you won't find a salad like that at McDonald's.
Oh yeah.
Bye. Alright.
Don't cry.
Yeah. I'll see you. See you when I see you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Take care of yourself. Maybe
Bye.
I'll see you in Washington someday.
Okay.
Oh, I ain't crying. I ain't crying. I'm glad to be really good to you.
Bye.
Take care. Have a good one.
Don't cry. Don't cry.